I got an iPad Pro. Well, I mean, I have one. It's not mine. You know, this happens to me a lot lately. Well, anyway, I'm not even sure if I want this. I might want a Mac Mini now. I mean, I didn't even know I should want one, but something happened. I'll tell you what, right after this.
This is, you know you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back. And for all you new people, welcome. My name's Travis and I do tech videos every single week and have a blast doing them. If that sounds like fun to you, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Anything I talk about will be in the description below. But for now, let's get into the video. So I'm here at TLD Studios. As you can tell, my background's a little different. And I want to shout out to Jonathan Morrison, who has invited me here and it has really given me an incredible experience. I get to learn some new techniques and really just kind of take everything in. It's been really amazing. But at some point, something happened to my voice. I think it might have been some of the ice cream. Could have been kissing the ground that he walks on. I'm unsure at this moment. But if you know Jonathan, you know he loves Apple products. And that's kind of good for me because, as you know, I've been looking into getting the iPad Pro. Now, here's the thing. I had to leave home a couple days before it was released, so it came out while I was here. Fortunately, he has the 12.9 inch. Even though I don't want the big iPad Pro, I was able to kind of mess around with it. And of course, he's got the pencil, he's got the keyboard case, he's got it all. So really nothing that this thing comes with is not something I get to check out. I was also very surprised by how reasonably sized this thing was. I thought it would be intensely big. But to be perfectly honest, you can hold this with one hand very easily. And the 11 inch looks perfect. I actually got to see one of those the other day. And this is so much faster than my original iPad Pro, so I'm a little bit excited about that. But here's the thing. I started talking to Jonathan about why I want an iPad Pro. To be perfectly honest, probably do the same things I did before, but with the possibility of using it for video editing. Because Apple's marketing has been that they're more powerful than your average laptop. And my average laptop is not so average anymore. So the power that this thing has could really dominate even my desktop. I thought maybe it could be a desktop replacement, but then in talking to Jonathan, he actually came up with another idea. Enter the Mac Mini. It's substantially more powerful than the desktop that I edit my videos on. But one of the things that's starting to sell me on this is something I've talked about before. It is the integration, and I saw it firsthand. And it's something that blew me away because at one point, I kind of understood the concept of the integration, but to see it is amazing. But I can give you an example. What if you shot a whole bunch of pictures for a phone review, and it's an iPhone, and you want to get the files over? Now, previously I had to plug in the lightning connector into my computer and then get all the files and do all the things. It's not that bad, but it is a little bit of a pain in the butt. But with Apple, you just airdrop. You just airdrop. And then you're done. Those pictures you snap with the XR, just airdrop it. Need that video you shot with your iPhone? Just airdrop it. Need a pizza? Airdrop it. Wait, I don't think that actually works. And you can do that between all devices. And it's so incredibly seamless. And this is something Apple excels at. And maybe Google should take some notes because, quite frankly, the things you can do with an iPad, an iPhone, and even a Mac Mini, it's mind-blowing. And that's not to say it's not a good operating system. It's the best for mobile, at least for tablets. You can argue about the phones in the comments below. iPad Pro, which is mobile, great. I can take it anywhere. I can get some stuff done. Or Mac Mini, which is a fully fledged operating system, a desktop powerhouse. And I can use Final Cut Pro. And for those of you who don't know what that is, that's like editing in a cloud. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna need some help. You know, I always ask you guys for help when I wanna buy something and I'm conflicted. So leave a comment down below. Should I get the Mac Mini? Should I get the iPad Pro? Should I sell my house and get both? That last thing isn't happening, by the way. Regardless, my mind is now twisted. I think I am gonna own something from Apple. Not to mention Morrison gave me this a couple days ago and I've been using it for 2 days straight and I love it. If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And if it didn't, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'm here every single week having a blast. Hope to see you again real soon. Peace and love, peace and love.